Did you know your brain is wired to recognize and appreciate attractiveness? It's a fascinating fact that goes beyond just physical appeal. Our brains are finely tuned to pick up on certain habits that we inherently find appealing. It's not about a chiseled jawline or a perfect figure, but rather habits that resonate on a deeper level, habits that engage our brains in a more profound way. So, what are these habits that can make us more attractive? Let's dive in. Imagine walking into a room and instantly feeling understood and appreciated. That's the power of empathy. Consider this. A woman enters a party, unsure and slightly anxious. She meets a stranger who, instead of talking about himself, genuinely listens to her, understands her concerns, and offers comforting words. The connection is instantaneous. Empathy fosters understanding, deepens connections, and makes us more attractive by making others feel valued. So practicing empathy can make a significant difference in how attractive you seem to others. Picture a person who walks into a room and immediately commands attention. That's the result of confidence. Consider the story of Sarah, who, despite being an introvert, learned to project confidence. She became an influential team leader, respected and admired. Confidence painted her as competent and reliable, qualities our brains find irresistible. It's not about being loud or domineering. It's about believing in oneself and conveying that belief to others. So building your confidence can enhance your attractiveness significantly. Imagine being the person who always brings a ray of sunshine into the room. That's the effect of positivity. Picture this: a friend of yours, always greeted with warm smiles and open arms, simply because she exudes positivity. This isn't just happenstance. Positivity makes her appear approachable, enjoyable to be around, and yes, more attractive. It's like a magnet that draws people in. So, why not be that person? Incorporating positivity into your life can make you more attractive to others. Now imagine meeting someone who is genuine, attentive, and kind. These are the traits of authenticity, active listening, and kindness. Imagine you meet someone who doesn't put up a facade, who isn't afraid to show their true self. That's authenticity. It's like a breath of fresh air in a world filled with pretense. It's the courage to be yourself, and it's magnetic. Now picture someone who's not just waiting for their turn to speak, but truly listens to you, who pays attention to your words, your feelings, your ideas. That's active listening. It makes you feel heard, valued, and it draws you in. Then there's kindness, the simple act of being considerate and compassionate. It's like a warm, comforting blanket on a cold day. It's soothing, reassuring, and it's compelling. These habits, authenticity, active listening, and kindness, create a sense of trust and comfort. Our brains find these traits appealing because they signal safety, understanding, and respect. So, by practicing authenticity, active listening, and kindness, you can boost your attractiveness. So, attractiveness isn't just about looks, is it? It's about empathy, confidence, positivity, authenticity, active listening, and kindness. These 6 habits can enhance your allure beyond physical beauty. Remember, attractiveness is a habit. So, which habit will you start practicing today?